Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can free up storage on Gmail. For that we have to go into Google Chrome first. Open your Google Chrome on your mobile and then go to new tab. Just type it here one.google.com/storage. This is the link which you have to open. I'll place it in the description box too. After opening this particular URL, you will find your Gmail storage like this. See, I have been upgraded to 100 GB by paying money. Generally, in general, it will be 15 GB, and most of the time this particular storage used to be filled up very fast. So, to free up this Gmail storage space, what you have to do, if you observe, Google Drive has consumed 2 GB, Gmail consumed 8 GB, Google Photos consumed this much. In your mobile also that will be similar way. Out of that 15 GB storage space free of cost available from Gmail. So, if you want to free up that storage which is unused, just scroll down, you will find free up account storage is the option here. Observe here, free up storage, account storage. Click on this one. After clicking this one, you will find manage your account storage. This will tell you all the default things which can be freed up very easily. Discarded items, you can clear up to 1.6 MB if you remove deleted emails. So, if something is there in the bin, you can delete here. And if you remove spam mails, that will be around 1.6 MB can be deleted from here. Similar way from Google Drive, you can delete from the bin if you have anything. I have already cleared up. If you don't have bin, if you don't have any storage in the bin, it won't show, otherwise it will show something here. Thereafter, if you go to large items will be having like emails with large attachments or around 4.6 GB. I don't want to remove that. Large files on my Google Drive is consuming around 2.1 GB. You can just click these things and find out which can be deleted. Similar way, large photos and videos are consuming around 4.1 GB on my Google Drive, Google Photos. So, that also you can remove. And finally, 2.8 MB can be removed from the unsupported videos. So, this is about how you can free out your storage on Gmail. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment box how it is useful to you, and kindly share and subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you. See you in the next one.